The bet for 5G connectivity is growing by all mobile phone manufacturers, and an example of this is Samsung. The Korean company Samsung announced a variant of the Galaxy S10 that will offer compatibility with this type of networks, something that has been known to also happen with the Galaxy Note 10. Enthusiasts overseas forum XDA developers found evidence of this. They found references to the 5G version of the Galaxy Note 10 in the kernel source for the Exynos 9820 processor. A month ago, sources revealed that the Galaxy Note 10 is codenamed DaVinci. Today it was found in the source code in two versions, 4 grams and 5 grams. In the screenshots, you can see the devices DaVinci and DaVinci 5G. According to rumors, Note 10 will be equipped with a 6.66-inch dynamic AMOLED screen with the same resolution as the Galaxy S10. The battery capacity is approximately 4500 mAh, and in addition to fast charging, there will also be wireless with support for reverse power share. If you believe the guesses of experts in the field of mobile devices, the new line of Galaxy Note line will get a more productive platform than the Galaxy S10. Samsung traditionally built them on the basis of the S-series hardware platform, but this year it should be different, especially for the Galaxy Note 10. The company will release a new Exynos 9825 processor. Qualcomm also has to wait for a new solution, since there will be two options. The new 10 will borrow from the Galaxy S10 5G camera, because of what its cost will start from $1,220, but the model at the start will have 128GB of internal storage and 8GB of RAM.